Are you ready to become the master of momentum? Pivots are highly underestimated in training, yet they occur often in daily life and in sports. You'll learn how to fluidly move around a heavy object while maintaining your ground. In this masterclass, you'll learn and master the art of the pivots. Pivots are the key to unlock your free flow and create beautiful movements. Are you ready? Join now on DutchFlowAcademy.com.